You may have read about it in books, but now you get to watch it in the PEZ book. It is time for the PEZ Party Pack! There's a party inside this box. So awesome. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy, here on the PEZ book channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. So this would be on a card similar to the candy or a PEZ dispenser. And you could purchase this. And inside are these balloons. Is it open? Nah, it's not open. The balloons look pretty bit. I mean, they're melted. Yeah. I don't want to open them up and damage them and further destroy them. Reason being, I haven't seen many of these. In fact, I've seen them in a book or two. This was the first time I saw this when I purchased this. I had to buy this. This is such a cool item. It's hard to find. It's really rare. Even though it's just a pack of balloons, I'm sure they didn't sell very well. That's why you don't see very many of them. But here is one that exists. It includes 6 colorful balloons in the party pack! Alright. Well, I'm going to go get this party started. So until next time... Yeah. Very cool. Very cool.